And a very simple one. What to do when you are alone on stage. You could be called for some urgent programs, and organizing your musicians will be very difficult. What do you play, and how do you play it when you are alone on stage? This is the essence of this lesson. The guitar has so many roles and functions in the music, and one of its functions is for it to stand alone as a complete orchestra. Instrumentalists these days are hard to come by. If your pianist or your drummer could get gigs that pay more than what you are going to offer them, and so they will avoid you. So what do you do in such a situation? I'm here to provide a solution, and that is so simple. First, look out for the theme of the program you've been invited to, and see if you can weave something interesting and beautiful around that. That is one. And try to create instantly, create spontaneously, something very interesting and beautiful for your audience. Look at the theme and look at the place you are. I'm a pastor, so let me talk about the church. If it's no special program, but a common music explosion or music program, then I would have to decide which song I can play alone on my guitar. And I have to choose a very popular song that the audience will help me sing. This is very important. If you choose songs that the audience knows, then the attention will be directed a little, because people will be focusing on singing with you whilst you do your own thing here. That is very interesting. I'm talking from experience in a way. Because he lives by the rivers of Babylon, as the deer panted for the water, I will have to decide which one of these will be best. But these things are done before you mount the stage. You have to practice these things right in your room before you mount the stage. Yes, you need to practice some songs before you mount the stage. You have to learn how to let the guitar behave like a complete orchestra. Yes, what do I mean by that? By that, what I mean is, in an orchestra, we have the bass, we have the horns, we have the violins, the instruments are many. But you can hear any one of them at a particular point in time. You cannot play like the orchestra, but you can do something very close to the orchestra. The next thing you have to do is to choose a suitable key. What do I mean by a suitable key? Some keys will not allow you to play alone. Like E flat, F sharp, no. Choose a key which has a lot of its bass free. For instance, D. The chord 1 in D, for instance, is free, the bass, the D is free. I can get the bass, the chord 4, free. I can also get the chord 5, the bass free. So that, for me, that would be my first option. Because in D, I can get my bass ringing, listen. my. So this is playing the top. And while I clamp the two fingers, playing the down string. If I choose A2, A, then I'll have A3, which is my bass. I'll have D, my Fa, which is also another bass for the chord 4. And the sol, I'll get the top, the E, which is also heavy. Yes, at least I've gotten that bass. So I have to decide between D, A, G, and those keys that have very strong bass. That is true. This is how come we have different kinds of tuning. We have the standard tuning, the drop D tuning, and so many other tunings. It is for these reasons, I tell you, it is for these reasons that we have to tune their strings differently. But I am keeping to the standard. So now I know my song, By the Rivers of Babylon. By the rivers of Babylon, when we sat down, and then we went, remember Zion. You know this song starts with some snaps. In order to get my audience involved, or I could ask the audience to help me with that percussion. 1, 2, 3, start. Choose a song that has groove. As a guitarist, the moment you start, you've already won the attention of your audience. You can ask around. You've already won the attention of your audience. They will start doing, they will help you. If you get good and lively audience, they will help you. You see, now, when you are doing this, we don't harmonize every note of the song. If you can do it the best, but I will advise you to harmonize some and leave others. It's also beautiful that way. Yes. By the rivers of Babylon. The melodies. So I'll leave all and only harmonize the last one. And on the Mi, I'll play my D chord. So I can play. Or this. Whilst I continue slapping the guitar to provide my percussion. Okay, so then I play the do, so because it's free, so I can play. I can target these two notes, and we start down the same thing. And on the next line, mi fa mi re. I'll leave the mi fa mi harmonize on the re. On the re, I can build. I have this and that. And I will go for this. Because the bass here is heavier than here. It's an A7. I would prefer the ones with the open heavy bass. On A7, then so I can play then when we remember Zion. following notes can be found on the A chord. The first thing, re. So I remain on the same chord and then play my melodies. That's the first part. And you repeat that one 2 times. And go to the next line. So I'll play. Or you can come to the high register and play. So do, so la, so do, so la, so. Or so do, so la, so. So I'm going to harmonize this line. On the mi, I played the same D. Re, only Re moves. Mi, still on the chord. Do, mi. So the same thing. You see? Then I go to do, but I have my thinking on the second string to provide a melody. Do, re, do, la, so, la, re, so on the first chord. Then do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. On that do, B minor chord will be best over there. A, B minor, A, 7 to D, then Fa mi single, back to A, 7. This is so simple. Sometimes you can shift in. Now you go to the other part. I'll use words. I play an A7 chord, so the same thing, but start it a little. Fa, so, fa, mi, fa, we can go the way on a J or on the E minor. Then to A, A7, I play the Mi, Re, Do on A7. Yes. Let me quickly go over what we've done so far, slowly, for you to just take your time, study the notes, and you will play it. So, do, also known as Spratz. Yes, your #1 guitar teacher. If you are new here, then hey, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe. Like it, share it, leave your comments. And in case you do subscribe, I'm reminding you not to forget to press on the notification bell. So the moment we upload any new video, they will inform you. They will notify you. And if you are looking for a one-on-one lesson with me, if you meet me on Zoom, then you can ask me more questions on the guitar. So pick the numbers on the screen and then schedule an online classes with me. And you are going to enjoy playing guitar.